Hey guys, and welcome back to Fix Drive Ride Fly, and welcome to my spare room. I've had a bit of a change of plan. I was going to bring you a video of me doing all the work I need to do on the van to get it to an MOT, but we're on lockdown. I can't get all the parts, so I'm just going to break it into some smaller videos using the footage I've already got to bring you a couple of videos over the coming days. So today we're going to focus on fixing the airbag. I've got the airbag warning light on the dash. That's an MOT failure, so we need to strip that down and take a look. Please, if you are enjoying what I'm doing, don't forget to like and subscribe. There should be a button there, or it might be there. So please do click on that, and I'll keep bringing these videos to you. Right, let's crack on. So part of the MOT check for me is I've got a flashing airbag light, my ABS light comes on periodically, and my horn doesn't work. Now, I know all the fuses and everything are working, I've checked those. I think the problem with this one is the steering angle sensor is broken. Now, the reason I think that is, I changed the steering rack not so long ago, and I made a mistake. When I put it all back together, my steering wheel was on the wonk. So I took the steering wheel off to redo it, and as I was taking it off, I saw that the steering angle sensor says, "Do not open" on it. I opened it, and it went everywhere. Don't do it. If it says don't open it, don't open it. I re-spooled it all back together, put it in, everything worked fine for about 2 days, and then it all stopped working. So I've got a new one, so let's get this stripped down. It's 4 bolts, 10mm on the sides, is these little covers that pop off. That'll take your airbag off, make sure your battery's off, disconnect the battery, the airbag cable, that lifts off. It's a 17mm nut for the steering column. We'll slacken that off, don't take the nut all the way off, pull the steering wheel till it's loose, pop it off, take it off, 3 screws, remove the steering sensor, pop a new one on, put it all back together, and hopefully that's fixed. Let's give it a try. So that's it, we've got the airbag unbolted. Now the clips can be a little bit tricky, so take care. Now don't forget, I've got the battery disconnected to do this. Now, if you are taking this off for any reason, make sure that your wheels are forward, your steering's aligned, and when you take it off, you've got 2 arrows, one on the outer casing and one on the bit that turns in the middle. If you're going to take it off and it's going to be off for a little while, it's probably worth putting a bit of tape on there, stop this turning, because you want it to go back on the way it's come off. Right, these steering sensors are around £120 plus postage. So I managed to find one from Lithuania for a Mazda 06 for 20 quid. Right, I'm quite excited. Here is the parcel from Lithuania. This is our old airbag squib. Fingers crossed, these things look the same. Let's get it open. I haven't opened it yet to check, so you'll find it out at the same time as me here. Well, that's well wrapped. Okay, this is our part from Lithuania. Let's have a look. Let's get this sticker off. Oh, you put it on there so it doesn't move. That's good. So it's been shipped where it doesn't twist. So let's look. Oh. Well, it looks very, very similar there. We got green and red.
and then whatever those two pins are there, we've got open there to check, and then coming out here we've got our, let's have a look. Oh, they're the same. Green and red to this, green and red to that. They're the same. That's the same. The size is the same. Steering column hole looks the same. I think we're in luck. Right, let's go fit it, see what happens. Let's go into there. So this is a problem. This collar. So the problem we got with this part is it's got a angled collar coming up to the connector, so we've removed that, and you don't see it in this clip, but I do go back and tape up those wires to make sure they're shielded. I had to move the clip that the cable hangs on from the left side of the wheel to the right hand side of the wheel, and then it all fitted lovely. Got out.
And there we have it, guys. That was an easy job. It was a saving of £105. The part came from a Mazda Z-6. It was £22 including shipping. It took a couple of days to get here because it came from Lithuania, but it was definitely worth waiting for. So thank you very much. Please check out the other videos I've got here, and don't forget to like and subscribe. But most of all, guys, please do stay safe. Cheers. Ta-ra.